So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, this video will be about the transport system. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a difference between the auricle and ventricle of the mammalian heart is that the A. ventricles do not have outlets. B. walls of the ventricle are muscular than that of the auricles. C. ventricles carry the oxygenated blood. D. auricles have no valves. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's walls of the ventricle are more muscular than that of the auricles. So that's the answer to this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, the function of the red blood cells is to A. aid in protein formation, B. transport oxygen to the cell, C. control blood glucose level, D. engulf invading bacteria. So guys, the red blood cell has a sole function of transporting oxygen to the cell, and that's the answer to this question, option B here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 3 here. It says, which of the following heart structures is best adapted to cope with double circulation? We have A. 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. B. 2 auricles and partially divided ventricle. B. 1 auricle and 1 ventricle. D. 2 auricles and 1 ventricle. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. Question number 4 here. It says, the vessel that carries blood from the heart to the lungs is called an artery because it A. contains more blood than other vessels, B. has thick inelastic wall, C. carries blood away from the heart, D. contains oxygenated blood. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C. It carries blood away from the heart. So arteries are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. And that's it for that question. So let's consider the next question. And that's question number 5 here. It says, an accident victim was successfully transfused with blood from the father whose blood group is AB. The blood group of the accident victim is A, AB, B, A, C, B, and D, O. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's AB. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 6 here. It says, a seedling was made to stand in solution of red ink for 3 hours, and a transverse section of the stem was examined under the microscope. The process investigated was A. diffusion of colored substances, B. ascent of water through the xylem, C. the importance of microelements in plants, D. distribution of food in plants. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's ascent of water through the xylem. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 7 here. It says, a pulse is best described as A. dilation of arteries to accommodate blood rushing through, B. pumping action of the heart to move blood around the body, C. contraction of vein to allow blood into them, D. contraction of arteries to let out blood. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. pumping action of the heart to move blood around the body. And that's it for that question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. And that's question number 8 here. It says, the pulmonary circulation involves movement of the blood to and from the A. brain, B. liver, C. kidneys, D. lungs. So guys, that's option D here, and that's the lungs. So whenever you hear pulmonary, it has to do with the lungs. So anywhere you hear the word pulmonary. It's relating to the lungs, and that's it for that question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 9 here, it says, the heart can beat continuously without being fatigued because it is composed of A. Skeletal muscles, B. Renal muscles, C. Smooth muscles, D. Cardiac muscles. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's the cardiac muscles. So let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question, guys. That's question number 10 here. It says, the ventricles of the mammalian heart have thicker muscular walls than the auricles because the A. ventricles are larger, B. auricles have smaller capacity, C. ventricles pump blood to longer distances, and D. ventricles receive more blood. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Ventricles pump blood to longer distances. And that's it for that question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.